Hi, I'm Jaden. Oh, and this is Nyla. And welcome to my YouTube channel.
Now let's get started. Welcome back, friends!
Hey, now, what will we be making today?
We are going to be making a haunted house.
That sounds really cool.
And I am a bee.
And I am a ninja.
Wow!
So, the first thing we did is glue our popsicle sticks together. Nyla,
Yes?
what's your favorite color?
My favorite color is purple.
Good, because we're going to be using purple in today's project.
Yes.
Yes. The first thing we're going to do, Nyla, is we're going to paint our popsicle sticks purple. Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's get started. Oh, there you have it. Our popsicle sticks are purple.
There we go.
Next, we're going to glue the roof that we cut out of black paper onto the top of the haunted house.
Yes.
Just going to start off by making a line, going across from the bottom of the paper.
Jaden, what's next?
Now, we're going to glue our windows that we cut out of yellow paper and glue them onto our haunted house.
Mm-hmm.
Just gonna grab glue and just make a circle. Or you could just go from the edges. Place one right corner here. Yeah, two at the top, not two on the side. Okay. This is what it looks like when we're done.
Yep.
So, now we're going to grab our
Green door,
that we cut out of
green paper.
and glue it onto the.
The haunted house.
Good. Now we're just gonna grab our green door and glue it to the haunted house. I'm not gonna add lots of glue, just a little bit. Wow, and now that's one spooky haunted house.
You're spooky too.
Thanks. Well, I hope you had as much fun as I did. Till next time, don't forget to be awesome.